Hello. Celebrate Africa's majestic Big 5 lapel pins. Showcase your love for Africa's iconic wildlife with our handcrafted Big 5 lapel pins. Featuring the lion, elephant, rhino, buffalo, and leopard, these beautifully detailed metal pins are the perfect accessory for any outfit, bag, or hat. Authentic African craftsmanship. Premium quality metal finish. Perfect for collectors and gifts. Wear a piece of Africa wherever you go. Shop now and make a statement with Hart of Africa's Big 5 lapel pins. Available on our online shop heartofafrica.co.za.